Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. Today we'll be learning how to do right click. So if you are a Windows user for a very long time, so if you are new to the MacBook, do not worry, there is a right click as well. So it just works differently kind of, or it can be made to work exactly the same. So if you have a normal mouse that has a right click, it will work exactly the same. And if you have a magic mouse, it will also work the same, just that the left side will be the left click and then the right side will be the right click. So okay, so we want to go to the system preferences. So you go to the Apple icon here and then you click on system preferences. And then on the mouse, let's see the mouse. Point and click. So the secondary click is the right click. So you can actually change the option, click on the left side or click on the right side. But clicking on the right side should make more sense. So it normally comes default as well. And then you want to go here and then to go back to this to the same place that you are at. You want to go to the trackpad. Okay, so on the trackpad, what you can do is on secondary click, you can actually change the option to click to tap with two fingers, which is what I normally like. So like this, you use two fingers to click. So I like to use my third and fourth finger to do the right click. Or you can actually change it to click at the bottom right corner or on the bottom left corner if it makes sense. But I don't know, because normally on the MacBook, the left click and right click is kind of like we use up the whole trackpad, if that makes sense. Like we do not just use the left click on the bottom left of the trackpad or on the bottom right on the trackpad. So what works for me is you want it to be like working on the entire trackpad. So one finger to work for left click and then two fingers for right clicks, if that makes sense for you. So I hope this makes sense to you and you can find your way into adjusting yourself into the Mac ecosystem, the Mac whatever thing that they call it. It's actually not that hard. It's just that they have certain features and certain buttons that are kind of better in my opinion. And you just have to get used to it. And if you do not want to get used to it, you can still stick with the default, like however Windows works. You can actually have the same thing in MacBook as well. It's just that it will make much more sense if you own a MacBook now and you use like kind of the Apple default, so that it will make life easier. But if you do not want that, you can just stick it back to the Windows way of doing things. It has all the settings for you to do all these things. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like tips, tricks and hacks on MacBooks, please do hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell button for this channel. I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.